Hello everyone, welcome in Lazeez Rasoi. Today I will show how to make mangochi in appe pan. For this we require moong dal which I have soaked already for 4 hours. Then we have to grind it finely and make a paste like this. We'll add half teaspoon of baking powder and whisk it properly. You can whisk it by spoon also. Like this. Some salt. Now I will make mangochi in this appe pan. I have already greased it with some oil. Now I will keep the batter in the holes. Little quantity you have to put. Now pour some oil over the mangochis. And flip it properly. See the nice golden color. Like this. Turn all the mangochis. You can have it like a snack also with some chutney. Now keep mangochis in water for few minutes. Now let's start making the gravy of it. Pour some oil in a kadai. Any oil you can take, olive oil, any oil. Put some hing in it, green chilies, spices like jeera, 1 teaspoon, I have added haldi powder, dhania powder, garam masala powder and chili powder. Mix it properly. Now add some water in it. Let it boil for some time. You can make gravy of onions and tomatoes too if you like. Yeah. After boiling it, we will add buttermilk in it. 1 glass or according to your taste. Again boil it. I have squeezed the mangochi from water. Add some salt according to your taste. See, our mangochi has been prepared. Non-fried mangochi has been prepared.